Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border around text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add border, go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then click and drag on our mouse to select the text and go to the home menu, increase the font size. Then you can align the text middle and center. Now we go to the shape format menu and select the shape outline. You can add any outline color. Now I am select the red color. Select the outline option again and increase the white. Otherwise you can change the fill color. Now we can see we add border to around text easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.